Quick reading for January the 5th to January the 6th, Virgo. Action speaks louder than words daw. So, parang si person is ayoko na magsalita, hindi ko na lang, hindi ko na lang sasabihin. It can also be a surprise, no? Pero parang sinasabi dito, marami na rin kasi kung nasabi, no, na parang pumalya, hindi nag-work. So, parang ipapakita ko na lang through my actions. So, I think na it's much better din naman, no? Lalo na kung si person is medyo ayaw na natin maniwala sa mga sinasabi niya. Parang this time medyo sasabihin niya na kasi kasalanan ko rin naman. Bakit hindi na siya naniniwala sa akin? So this time, instead of saying it, I am just going to do it and prove to my person, no, na siguro parang sinasabi dito is more of prove to them na mas okay, no? Na makita niya na nag-e-effort ako, mas okay na nakita niya yung mga ginagawa ko, meron akong meron akong energy na inilalabas is not just, bukang ng bibig. But anyway, meron kang makikita dito na gagawin ni person to somehow make you happy. This is your quick reading, Virgo, for January the 5th to January the 6th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.